Welcome back to Auto Assets. This is Zach. Here with me today is a 2015 Audi S3 Prestige. This is finished in a Mythos Black metallic. Got an upgraded gloss black front grille. Got park distance sensors in the front, backup camera, navigation. It's got some aftermarket wheels here. These are 19-inch wheels. This one's in good shape. I don't see any major curb rash. There's a few light scratches there on the spokes. Four new tires were installed in the service department. Black leather interior. Got the Bang & Olufsen sound system. WeatherTech all-weather floor mats. Power seats with lumbar adjustment. Got the embossed S3 logo there in the backrest. Six-speed automatic S-tronic transmission. You have Audi MMI navigation, like I said. Dual climate control, heated front seats. This vehicle has just under 100,000 miles on the odometer. All right, folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, call us anytime, 614-793-1050.